Right now we're going from Kuwait to Doha, then we're gonna be going from Doha to Bangkok, then Bangkok to Mandalay. You know, Mandalay Bay, Las Vegas? No, not that one. The other one. You know, the one that used to be Burma. All right, guys. See ya. What color is that? Purple. What color is that? Blue. What color is that? Red. What color is that? Yellow. What color is that? Orange. What color is that? Red. Wow. Let me have a kiss. Give me a kiss. I love you. Mommy and Daddy are gonna go. We gotta go. Sorry. You guys gonna miss us?
Yeah. Bye, kids. Kiss mommy. Oh, give me yours. No, up here. Be good, okay?
Kiss. Love you.
Mama will come back, okay? Don't cry, don't cry. Mama will come back. Okay, bye, bye, love.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how sad are you?
10.
How sad?
Sad. I miss them.
Later. Yeah, but take it easy.
We are at Kuwait International Airport and we are going to Myanmar.
We're flying Qatar Airways and we're gonna go Doha, then we're gonna go to Bangkok, and then we're gonna go to Mandalay. We're over here in the Dasman Lounge in the Kuwait International Airport. They got a decent spread. I got some roast with herbs. I got some potatoes. I got some chicken Alfredo. Got some fattoush, and I got some kind of masala. Dude, what's the rush? What's the rush?
That's what you get when you're a silver member. You cut the chase. You cut the chase.
Have a pleasant journey. Right here, 14E and F. Damn. Emergency. Call on me for emergency. We just got to Doha. We got 1 hour.
And then we're gonna go to Bangkok.
And no time for lounge.
No lounge. But we have 7 hours layover in Bangkok. We are at Qatar International Airport. Actually, it's called Hamad International Airport. With the big bear in the background.
Yo, it's worth it if you have a little bit of status. Not that much, you just gotta have silver in the One World Alliance just to creep in front of everybody else. It's enough though, I bypassed everybody. Dude, nobody's here. We got the last spot.
We are at the last spot, but at least we're not sitting next to each other.
I don't even know if I could recline. This is my review of the B777-300ER. And it got 48 rows. You know how I know? Because we're in the last row. This is what the entertainment looks like over here. Look at that. Look at all those movies right there. That's the controller. Got a little headphone jack. Let's see what movies they got here.
Sawadika!
Sawadika, we just made it to Bangkok. We got a long layover here, like 6 hours, and then we're headed to Mandalay. So somebody didn't want to go to the ATM at the other airport, and then now we're at this airport and we couldn't even get money, but finally we got money, so someone's attitude changed. I wonder who that was.
I wonder who's that one? Who that's on the
I
right?
don't know.
I don't know.
Before you go on vacation, bring cash. Don't expect the ATMs to work. Bring US dollars. That's a tip.
Bring US dollars because not all airports has like a lot of ATM. You have to like go in a maze to find an ATM. And sometimes the ATM doesn't even want to take your card.
We always go to ATM wherever we land and we always try to get that currency so we don't have to go do transfers. But those ATMs don't work sometimes either. So bring cash. Cash is king.
You got a guy right there. She's going off. Raving in the airport. Look at that.
That's what I'm talking about, yo. Bring the freaking fire sticks and the glow sticks to the airport. Do it up, you know? You know?
I'm sleepy.
Full moon party, man.
That's what lounges are.
That's where we gotta go. We gotta find ourselves a lounge. Yo, what's up, guys? I just got to the Oman Air lounge, and you know how I got here? I got here because the priority pass. Don't be trying to look at my little code right there either. You know how I got that? It's because I got that Chase Sapphire. Yo, you want to know how? Link in the description below. But for now, we're gonna take you on a tour. Welcome. To the Oman Air lounge. That's the only reason I need to go to the lounge, guys. All that drink right there, you know what I mean? And then on top of that, they got all this food over here. Got some beans. Got some eggs. Got some sausage. Looks pretty good. Dude, they got a grip of seating over here. Little secret spots right here where you could rest. I might just take a little nap right here, you know what I mean?
This is so far the best lounge I've been. Look at this.
This is a lounge breakfast right here. You gotta have your Hennessy, you gotta have some beer, and you gotta have some stinky cheese. That's how we do it. You gotta have that stinky cheese. You gotta be fancy. Let me get some of that sparkling water. Tastes like freaking static TV. Alright guys, that lounge was dope. What do you think about that lounge?
That lounge is the best lounge I've been to.
It's a woman on a mission right there.
We just made it to Myanmar, Mandalay. We just got through immigrations. It was pretty easy. I already had an e-visa, and now we're gonna wait for our bags.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Thank you.
Mr. Zin?
Yeah, I am Mr. Zin.
Mr. Zin.
Yes.
Mr. Zin
Yeah.
and Mr. Little Sin.
Mr. Little Zin.
When you're in Myanmar, you say hello, you're gonna say Minglaba. When you say thank you, you say Chusuba. When you say how much, you say what? Balaule.
Bolal.
Balaule.
Bolal.
Balaule.
See a store right here? I'm gonna go grocery shopping right now, because I need all the beer, right?
What we got here? I think this right here. I think that's the local. That's the local liquor right there. See what I should get. Yeah. All the local snacks right here.
Or this one.
No, we have. Dragon fruit.
Number one, book Mr. Zin, number one. Look at all these snacks right here. That's how you know it's a road trip right there. You got all the snacks.
quality than not.
Thank you. Me and Rain just made it to our hotel in Bagan. She's trying to get her internet working on her Oredo phone from Kuwait. But anyways, I'm gonna shut down the vlog because I'm tired and I'm hungry. So we're gonna eat and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Gonna be good? Okay. Very sorry. But Daddy gotta go on that epic vacation, yo. Yeah. Just joking. I'm gonna miss her. I'm gonna miss you, Jasmine. Come over here. Mwah. Bangkok, Bangkok, Bangkok.
Myanmar.
We're going to Bangkok, and you know what we're gonna do in Bangkok? I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna go soy cowboy, you know what I mean?
It's good. We're not sitting next to each other. And we're not sitting, we're sitting, I don't know. We're not sitting to anybody. We're not sitting next to anyone. I like their trash can. It's clear.
That's the first thing I thought when we got here.
My ear. I can't hear anything I'm saying.
She doesn't listen to me anyways. It's all good.